What's up, guys? I hope you had a great new year. We're going to be doing another lot walk. Welcome back. So what's going on? This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. Check us out, maplemotors.com. I have financing and shipping available for you. What I like to do in this video here is walk around the lot every Monday and show you the new inventory. We did add about 8 cars to the website. So go on over there, check it out. I do have financing and shipping available. We actually had a little bit of snow come through, not very much here. We never really get a lot of snow. Just a dusting, but it is nice and cold. And of course, these old cars have seen snow for the last 50 years, so don't be too worried about it. It's something they're used to. So we're gonna be walking around showing all the new inventory. I'm gonna tell you the year, I'm gonna tell you the price, and then I want you to go to maplemotors.com and look at the financing and shipping options. Also 100 detailed pictures. And of course, here on YouTube, I test drive every single car on the lot and tell you what is wrong. We look for flaws. That way when you get here, you're happy with your purchase. So hit subscribe, share, and hit like. That helps me out quite a bit. For now, let's get started. So we got a 52 Ford Custom sitting up here on the front for $15,900. The snow on these cars is giving it such an awesome look. It's kind of cool. What about a 1956 Bel Air? This is a 4-speed car for $27,900. Coming on up here. This one here is a 1966 Dodge Coronet. It's $26,900. Some more new inventory. A 64 Impala. This is a 4-speed car, $27,900. We got a 1968 Coronet. This is an RT car, and that one's $30,900. '66 Pontiac GTO. That's a 4-speed car, $39,900. Guys, so if you've been watching and you ask the same question, oh, well, there's some cars in this video that are not online. Well, check the date. Pretty much every time one of these cars sells, we'll take it off of our website. If it's not on maplemotors.com, it's not available anymore. Just a heads up. They do sell a little bit fast up here, but we go through about 60 cars a month. We go for the lower prices and the higher sell rate. And as you can see, if you've been watching, we go through a lot of cars. This one right here is a 1967 Pontiac Firebird. This one's got an LS 6-speed in it, $32,900. Right next to that, a 1973 Camaro. This one's $25,900. How about a 1969 Firebird? This one just came in. Test drive is not out yet, and I plan on doing it today. This one's $23,900. Mustang here is already sold. We put it on last Monday and it's gone now. It was a 66 Ford Mustang for $15,900. But I have a 66 convertible right next to it for $24,900. We also have a 1965 Chevy 2 Nova. This one's also $24,900. This car here is a 1974 Plymouth Duster. It was at $18,900. It was very popular when it first came into the car lot a few days ago. So I wouldn't be surprised if this one's already sold. We just listed it today, but it has the looks and it has the price range at $18,900 to sell fast. Okay guys, I still got over half of a lot to walk around, but we're gonna go on into the showroom, look around, and check out Pops' Hot Wheels room. So stick around, I'll be right back. So if you come to Maple Motors and you're into Hot Wheels, collectibles, vintage cars, you can come right next door, ask Pops, say I want to see the Hot Wheels room, and he'll bring you over here and show you his collection. This is a very small portion. At least once a week he comes in here and adds new stuff. So check out Jim Fights Hot Wheels channel here on YouTube and go hit subscribe. We're going to head on back out to the car lot and look at the full scale cars. We've got a 1967 Chevy 2 Nova. This one's $25,900. It's got a beautiful paint job, bucket seats, and she's set up to go fast. I believe we've already sold the Corvette, and actually the rest of the stuff in the showroom here is personal rides. Okay, coming back up on the car lot here. Got a few rides, like this Stink Bug 1969 VW. It's $12,900 on Air Ride, and it is available. Of course, that truck there is coming next week, I believe. We got the old Firebird sitting here. This one is available, and it is $12,900. Be sure to check the website, look at the video we put out showing the test drive and the detailed pictures. I sold the Chevelle last week. I got two sitting up here though that you're going to want to look at. Let's look at this truck real quick. So I believe this was a 47 model for $19,900. It's pretty awesome. It's got the purple grille, matches the interior. It's all purple inside, flat black paint job, nickname Old Smoky. That thing was a pretty sweet test drive, so definitely check it out. And we just got this Chevelle sitting here. I haven't test drove it yet. I did test drive that, and the video is out. I plan on getting this one done pretty soon. This is a 72 Chevelle. It was $27,900. It's got the bucket seats, black on black. And of course, right next to that, a 1969 Chevelle in blue. This one's $29,900. I do believe we've sold the Blazer. It was $14,900. It's a pretty nice piece there. This was a 92 S10 at $79.50, and I believe it also sold last week. Same with all four of these in this section here. We had a 79 Ford F-150. That one was $13,900. And of course, the Camaro back there, just waiting on pickup. And the wagon, I believe, is sold now. It was $29,900. 1960 model. So right next to that, we got a four-door Chevelle, 68 model, I believe. 11.9 on this one. So that's new inventory, it just came in. Right next to that, the Buick Skylark, already sold, 14.9. '67 Pontiac Le Mans 24.9 is available. The Impala here is already sold. We sold it for $32.9 last week. It was a 62 model. And of course the one right next to it we also sold. It was $27.9. They just so happen to be in our lineup. Got a lot of new cars coming next week we're going to replace them with. This was a 65 Impala convertible. We do have the Bug available. Although somebody was here this morning, I don't know the whole deal, but I still believe it is available. It's a 1979 Beetle convertible for $12.9. All right, let's walk the lot one more time. Just glance through, make sure we didn't miss anything. We are a family business. I am the youngest here at 31 years old. And I've worked here a long time. Just put it that way. I'm here with my father, my uncles, my grandfather. And we don't plan on going anywhere. We've almost done this 40 years. There is financing and shipping available at our website. So jump on over there and look at the detailed pictures of every car. And I try to make honest test drive videos. I tell you everything that is wrong with the cars before you get here. No 52 Ford, 15.9. 56 Bel Air, 27.9. 66 Dodge Coronet, 26.9. 64 Impala, new inventory, 27.9 with a 4-speed, and the test drive video is out already. Got the RT Coronet here. It's a 68 model, 30,900. And the 66 Pontiac GTO 4-speed, 39.9. Got the old 67 Pontiac LS 6-speed Firebird, 32.9. 73 Camaro, 25.9. Oh, 69 Firebird, 23.9. 66 Mustang, 15.9. 66 convertible Mustang, 24.9. Oh, 65 Nova, 24.9. And of course the 74 Duster at 18.9. It's badged up as a Demon. Green interior as well. It's pretty sweet. Don't forget about the old Stink Bug on Air Ride at 12.9. 1969 VW. Of course, like I said, that truck's coming out next week. Got the old Firebird sitting back here at 12.9. Coming back on up front here. Truck's pretty cool. And that Chevelle sold last week. This one right here is awesome with the pinstripe and the flat paint. 1960s. Oh wait, that's a 47. Where am I going up with 67? 47 for 19.9. The old GMC with the purple grill. The pinstripe is fancy on this one too. Old 72 Chevelle. The 69 Chevelle. This one's 29.9 and that one's 27.9. Which one would you rather have? K5 sold for 14.9. 92 Chevy or S10 sold for 79.50. That one sold for 13.9. 79 Ford F-150 and 29.9 on the 60 wagon. 68 four-door Chevelle, which is new, 11.9. I don't see it lasting very long at that price, even though it's a four-door. You know, I got a lot of people here recently that love the four doors. I know the two doors are most popular, but for the price difference, you could be riding around a Chevelle at 11.9. 14.9 on the Buick. Le Mans convertible, 24.9. Of course, the two Impala's already sold, but that one's 32.9, or was, and that one was 27.9. Last but not least, the old Bug at 12.9. That's a 79 model. Guys, it helps me out quite a bit if you hit subscribe, share, and hit like. Also, join us on Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. I'm posting to that stuff every single day. I really hope you enjoyed this. If you did, comment below. Let me know any kind of ways to improve this video. I do individual test drives on every car here, so that's where I'm popping the hoods, telling you the motor sizes. If you're interested in any of that, you can also go to maplemotors.com, get a detailed description of each car. And of course, probably the videos are the most helpful thing, just letting you know what's wrong and what they need. Be sure to give us a call instead of messaging us on the inboxes. That's 615-822-4444. And we'll be able to assist you better. With that being said, I'm going to go in here and grab a dealer tag, a different camera, and start test driving these things. Guys, I appreciate you watching. Thanks again.
Got a balance